my lovely students. How are you today? Are you fine? Today, we will review together letter O. Which letter? O. Which letter? O. How we sound it. Its shape. How to write it. And some words with letter O. Some words that have letter O. First of all, the sound of letter O. Who can tell me the sound of letter O? How do we sound it? I can show you how. O, 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 O. Let us do it together.
O, 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 O.
Now we will learn how do we write letter O. Who can tell me what's the shape of letter O? Yes, it's right. It has a shape of a circle. How do we write it? Let's see together. We write and capital O and small o. Capital O, small o. Let's see some words have letter O. O is for orange. O is for orange. O is for onion. O is for onion. O is for open. O is for open. O is for orange. Orange. O is for onion. O is for onion. Look like circle. O is for open. O is for open. Finally, we do an activity. Circle letter O. We can circle letter O. O, orange. Orange. I can circle letter O. O, onion. We have in this word two letters O. The first letter O in the start and second in the middle. I can circle. O, open. I can circle the letter O. Okay, bye. See you next time.